and today I will show you how to make fish shallow fry. We will have 500 grams of rainbow trout fish, and then we will add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add half a teaspoon of Dhaniya powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add salt per taste, but seafood does not need lots of salt. Add 1/4 of a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we will have to mix all the ingredients well and set it aside for 30 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Add 3 tablespoons of oil to the heated pan. After heating the oil, we will need to put the fish pieces in. Flip the fish pieces approximately after 2 minutes. It has been 8 to 10 minutes since we started frying the fish in medium flame. Now I think it is time the fish is finally done. Now we will have to add the fish in the serving bowl. The last thing we should do is garnish the fish with chopped coriander. Fish fry. Good.
Shallow fry was really yummy and it was a delight eating with my brother. I wish him all the best in his channel, and I also want to mention that he does all of his cooking with adult supervision. So if you happen to be a younger one who wants to cook like him, I suggest that you have supervision with you. If you follow his recipes as they are, you'll get great reviews.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. And also, please check out our other videos.